World Health Organization chief Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus warned that the highly infectious and dangerous Delta strain of the coronavirus is evolving and still mutating, and that the world is in a very dangerous period. Ghebreyesus said on Saturday that countries with low vaccine coverage are once again seeing hospitals being overburdened. The Delta strain is quickly becoming the more dominant strain in many countries. This particular mutation is believed to have driven India's deadly second wave weeks ago. The WHO chief noted that the Delta strain was reported in 98 countries so far and is spreading to others with low and even high vaccine coverage. The only way to push back against the fast-spreading dangerous mutation is, he said, public health and social measures like strong surveillance, strategic testing, early case detection, isolation, and clinical care. He added that masking, physical distancing, avoiding crowded places, and keeping indoor areas well ventilated are the basis for the response even now. Ghebreyesus also said that he urged world leaders that they must vaccinate 70% of all people in their respective countries by this time next year. By the end of September, he said, the WHO is calling on leaders to vaccinate at least 10% of people in all countries. He also urged countries to ensure equitable distribution of testing kits, oxygen, medical gear, and medicines between countries. At the same time, he stressed that big pharma companies like BioNTech and Pfizer must share their technical know-how in order to speed up vaccine development across the world.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.